Marc and I were watching bacon 24/7 on Stephen Raichlen's Project Smoke. We learned how to make bacon from scratch and a new twist on Canadian bacon. Then we checked out the Tulsa Torpedo, a spectacular 3 pounds of porky goodness encased in a crispy bacon weave. Grab a plate as there is plenty to share, and enjoy the Tulsa Torpedo, make, bake, and partake with Marc and Sheila.
I must have done something. And even if you're skeptical, I must have done something. And you don't believe in my voice, you must admit that it's a miracle. I must have done something. That we have found each other. I must have done something. 'Cause while we have you, baby, I must have done something. You only get once in a lifetime. I must have done something. So please don't call me crazy. I must have done something. If I hope next life will still be mine. I must have done something. 'Cause when I'm in your arms, then I can do no harm. Oh baby, it was meant to be. Doesn't matter who we are, just as long we're gonna do something good with each other. Still in your arms.
Click now to watch another music video postcard, or choose a YouTube playlist instead. Watch full-length music video postcards on our YouTube channel. We'll see you again real soon.